You have seen the videos. Claims that copying and pasting a few prompts into Claude AI will instantly generate $72,000 a month in passive YouTube income. This chart shows the reality behind those numbers. To generate $72,000 in ad revenue, a channel needs 10 to 20 million views every month. Meanwhile, a brand new channel with 0 subscribers usually flatlines at 0 views for its first 60 days. Every high-performing faceless channel functions as a digital real estate asset, requiring a disciplined period of construction before it generates a return. To actually build and monetize this asset, you have to execute a disciplined, policy-compliant workflow using Claude AI to scale your production. Step 1 is market positioning. The entire financial viability of your channel depends on choosing a high CPM niche where advertisers pay premium rates to reach a high-intent audience. Look at this bar chart comparing revenue rates. If you make a video about business software or personal finance, advertisers will pay upwards of $25 per 1,000 views. If you make a generic gaming or entertainment video, that payout drops to around $2. Once you select a high-value category, use Claude AI to analyze trending topics within that space and identify content gaps, specific micro-topics that have high demand but low production quality. Next, feed the titles of top-performing videos from those gaps into Claude. Instruct it to decode the structural patterns that make those competitors highly clickable. Then, command Claude to generate your own titles using this specific formula: the desired outcome, plus a specific time frame, plus a piece of tangible proof. Algorithmic traction requires click-throughs. You have to position the channel as a highly clickable authority within a specific monetizable sub-niche before you write a single word of the script. Now we implement the core engine of this system, the next global wave AIDA prompt framework for script writing. This timeline is your script. The prompt directs Claude to write the attention block, a high-impact hook. Next is interest, synthesizing real data to explain the opportunity. Then desire builds case studies, addressing objections. Finally, the action instruction wraps up with a soft call to action. Applying this AIDA structure forces the AI to hit the psychological engagement markers necessary to maintain viewer attention throughout the video. With the script written, we enter the assembly phase using content arbitrage. This is the process of curating high-value visual and audio assets to build your narrative without ever touching a physical camera. First, we process the script through modern neural network audio tools. These systems map artificial sound waves into hyper-realistic human cadences, establishing immediate trust. Then, we apply the retention-first editing rule. You must implement a visual pattern interrupt, a fast cut, an on-screen text graphic, or a subtle zoom every 30 seconds to prevent the viewer from clicking away. To execute this, use tools like CapCut or Cello AI to stitch the AI text, synthetic voiceover, and stock visuals onto a single timeline. Structuring your production as an assembly line shifts your role from manual labor to system oversight, allowing you to manage multiple channels simultaneously. This efficiency comes with a strict requirement. Uploading unedited raw AI text is a guaranteed path to permanent channel demonetization. This diagram illustrates YouTube's current backend process. Their Gemini integration now actively cross-references uploaded scripts in real time to detect and suppress direct, unedited AI copy. To bypass these automated filters, you must apply the 30% human edit rule to every script you generate. Take the raw Claude output and manually rewrite at least 30% of the text. Inject your own editorial judgment, verify the factual data, and add a distinct human perspective to the narrative. This mandatory layer of human oversight acts as a competitive moat. It protects your digital asset from being wiped out by algorithmic audits and filters out the low-effort competitors flooding the market. Apply these steps and you now possess a fully assembled, policy-compliant, and highly optimized video ready for publishing. Now, prepare for the ghost phase. You need to commit 10 to 15 hours a week to uploading videos to a channel that will initially get almost 0 views. The platform requires hard data to understand your content. It takes 35 to 50 consistent uploads to train the neural network to find your correct target audience. Each upload contributes to the platform's understanding of your niche. Over time, these data points allow the algorithm to refine your viewer profile and begin surfacing your videos to more relevant audiences. Reject the lazy AI shortcuts. Treat it as a professional enterprise. Copy the AIDA prompt framework and start writing your first script today.